We're talking about tax planning for real estate agents only. So my real estate agents have a very special business. They're not like most businesses. They have a what I call high taxable profit margin, right? High profit margins. My normal companies usually have around 10 to 30% of net income profit margins. My real estate agents usually have anywhere between 60 to 80. Big difference. So when I say profit margins, that's basically for every dollar that you make, you bring home a percentage of that. So if you have a 60% profit margin, for every dollar that you make, you bring home 60 cents in profits, right? So you only spend 40 cents of that dollar that you make. My real estate agents have a high taxable profit margin or high profit margins. Y'all don't have any expenses to run your business, right? It's just strictly marketing and maybe mileage, gas, little things to run your business. That's good when it comes to operations, but it's not so good when it comes to taxes. That's why I want to talk about tax planning specifically for my real estate agents. There's a couple things y'all need to be doing in the Q4 season, Q4 last 3 months of the year. There's a couple things y'all need to be doing, right? And the first one is you should be tax planning. And I want you to, don't move too fast. I just want you to have a conversation with your CPA about tax planning. That's it. I want you to have a conversation with your CPA about tax planning. So the conversation should look like this. Hey, CPA, here are my numbers for the year. What does it look like I'm owing in taxes? The CPA is going to do his or her math, and say, it looks like you're owing X amount. If you're happy with owing that X amount, don't talk to them again. Okay, see you during tax season. But if you aren't happy with that amount, you need to ask a follow-up question. CPA, what can I do to reduce this? He should be able to give you a laundry list of strategies that you need to implement from October to December. Granted, we're already late. We should have been started tax planning around July or so. Now we have 3 months to implement these plans to save you X amount. And that's if your CPA knows what they're doing. So first part is tax planning. Have that conversation. The conversation should go kind of like what we role played right now, right? Have that conversation. And then secondly, I want to walk through some of the tax deductions that I never see on my real estate agent's returns. That's taking advantage of your home office. That's taking advantage of your simple mileage. Y'all guys don't track it at all. Develop a system to track it. I don't care about doing it. I want you to develop a system to do it. Big difference. Develop a system within your business to track your mileage, to track or expand your home office, and to actually track your accounting. Most professionals don't have that. But if you're a high producing real estate agent, you're missing out on money that's going to be kept in your pocket by not doing your accounting. Because I have a story. I had a real estate agent, did not do any accounting, bookkeeping, because he thought it wasn't direct impact on his revenue. Well, come to the end of the year, it was, because he didn't have any finances to put on his tax return. He thought he can keep it all in his head, but he didn't have his finances. So he ended up overpaying on his tax return. Mind you, it's about how much money you keep. If both realtors are making $100K, but realtor A has to pay $50,000 in taxes and realtor B has to only pay $5,000, which one's more profitable? Which one has more money to put back in marketing for the beginning of the year? Real estate agent B. So take this very, very serious. I know it's a nuisance. I know it's annoying. I know you probably don't want to track it, but it's a part of doing business. You know how to do your operations, but do you know how to build your accounting system? Do you know how to build your finance system? If you don't, talk to your CPA about this. They can help.